Today, we're exposing the 3 fatal mistakes men make that push women away, backed by clinical psychologists, attachment theory, and data from thousands of real relationships. These aren't opinions, they're patterns. And once you see them, you won't miss them again. But here's why you need to stick with me. The first 2 mistakes are common and fixable. But the third one, the one most men never see coming, is the silent relationship killer. It's so subtle, so easy to justify. Yet it destroys more promising connections than ghosting, jealousy, or even dishonesty. And if you click off before we get there, you'll walk away thinking you've got it figured out, while still making the very mistake that keeps you stuck. If you've ever lost someone you cared about and wondered why, this might be the most important thing you hear all year. And if you're serious about understanding women on a deeper level, not manipulating them, but genuinely connecting, do me a quick favor, hit like right now.
It tells YouTube this isn't just another dating rant, it's real insight, and it helps us reach more men who are tired of guessing. Let's start with the most common and most misunderstood mistake. 1. Over-pursuing too soon. You've heard go after what you want, so you text constantly, plan every date, compliment her endlessly. You're trying to show interest, but what she's actually feeling is pressure. Dr. Amir Levine, psychiatrist and co-author of Attached, explains when a man floods a woman with attention before emotional safety is built, her brain interprets it as neediness, not confidence. And neediness triggers anxiety, not attraction. Here's the science. In early attraction, women's brains scan for calm consistency, not intensity. A 2021 study from the University of Chicago tracked couples in their first 30 days of dating. Men who moved too fast, declaring feelings, pushing for commitment, over-communicating, were 3.2 times more likely to be ghosted, even if the woman initially liked them. Why? Because attraction thrives in space, not absence. Space. Room to breathe, room to choose, room to feel curious. When you give her that space, you signal, I'm secure. I don't need you to validate me. And that's magnetic. So if you're sending good morning and good night to every day before you've even been on 3 real dates, you might be pushing her away with the very thing you think is pulling her closer. Now, the second mistake is even more subtle and far more damaging. 2. Failing to lead with emotional presence. You show up, you pay for dinner, you remember her birthday, but when she shares something vulnerable, stress at work, family drama, a fear she's been carrying, you jump into solutions. You should just quit. Don't let it bother you. Here's what I do. And in that moment, you've missed the most important opportunity because she wasn't asking for a fix. She was asking for connection. Dr. John Gottman, one of the world's leading relationship researchers, calls this emotional attunement. His 40-year study of thousands of couples found that the #1 predictor of long-term relationship success isn't passion, it's the man's ability to respond to emotional bids with empathy, not advice. Women don't need a problem solver in the early stages. They need a safe harbor, someone who can sit with their feelings without rushing to change them. So next time she shares something real, try this instead. That sounds really tough. Do you want to talk more about it? Or simply, I'm here. That tiny shift from fixing to feeling builds trust faster than any grand gesture ever could. Vulnerability met with presence creates intimacy, and intimacy is the foundation of everything real. But the third mistake, it's the silent killer, the one no one talks about. 3. Inconsistency in energy and attention. 1 week, you're all in, texting daily, planning dates full of enthusiasm. The next week, radio silence. You're busy, distracted, emotionally checked out. You think you're being chill. She feels hot and cold whiplash. Attachment theory explains why this is so damaging. When a man's attention is unpredictable, it triggers an anxious attachment response, even in securely attached women. Her brain starts asking, is he losing interest? Am I not enough? What did I do wrong? And over time, that anxiety turns into self-protection. She pulls back, not because she doesn't care, but because uncertainty hurts more than rejection. A 2023 study in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships found that inconsistent communication was the #1 reason women ended promising connections, even more than lack of chemistry. Why? Because consistency equals care. When you show up reliably, emotionally, communicatively, energetically, you prove you're trustworthy. And trust is the currency of real attraction. So ask yourself, are you giving her steady warmth or flickering sparks? Before we wrap, let's kill one toxic myth that keeps men stuck. If she's the one, she'll put up with my mixed signals. No, the right woman won't tolerate confusion. She'll choose clarity, even if it means walking away. Real connection isn't built on games, guesswork, or grand gestures. It's built on calm confidence, emotional presence, and consistent care. And the beautiful part? You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be aware. If this hit home, if you've made one or all of these mistakes and finally understand why things didn't work out, do 3 things for me. First, smash that like button. Not for views, but because this message needs to reach men who are tired of pushing love away without knowing why. Second, subscribe. We drop science-backed, no BS relationship breakdowns every week, designed to help you build real connection, not just chase validation. And third, share this with one friend, the one who keeps dating the same type of woman and wondering why it never lasts. This could be the wake-up call he needs. You're not broken. You were just never taught how love actually works. And now, you know. See you in the next one.